intended standing batting. Tigers marauding, and they continue to maraud. It should have probably been taken. Brilliant batting this, gives himself room outside the leg stump. It's a bad delivery with the slower ball.
This time he moves across. It's the width. It's gone the distance.